Let's see how client onboarding can be faster, smarter, and more personalized using Box Forms, Box AI extract agents, and Box Gen. The client here completes a secure onboarding form, adding financial details like income, assets, liabilities, and uploads documents such as government issued ID, utility bills, and credit card statement. As soon as the submission is complete, Box organizes everything into its dedicated folder. Now, the Wealth Advisor can leverage their standardized metadata template and have powerful Box AI extract agents extract critical context from the document, capturing information like account holder name, account number, and credit card balance, to then be saved as structured metadata. With all the data accurately extracted and organized, the Wealth Advisor can use Box.gen to generate a comprehensive, personalized financial plan for this client. They can review this plan with the client, making sure the financial strategy aligns with their goals. This is how Box AI extract agents, Box Forms, and Box.gen make client onboarding faster, smarter, and more personalized.